Hello guys, many times you ask me what we can eat at night. So one of the ideas as a suggestion I received from friends, it was Nasi Goreng Kambing. Nasi Goreng is fried rice, Kambing is goat.
What? Jungle.
Nasi Goreng Kambing.
I'm hungry.
Our food is ready. Let's try, guys. First, I will try without achar. This is achar. So, Nasi Goreng Kambing. Yummy. The meat is tender. Let me try with achar. The taste is pleasant. I really like it. The meat is tender, it's soft, it's not hard, but the condiment they mix is really good. Sometimes both have bad aroma. The way they cook, with the condiment they remove is that aroma. The only thing that's lacking in here is that the environment is noisy. But if you ignore this noisy environment, you can really enjoy from the taste. Yes, noisy environment, but you can enjoy definitely if it be this kind of food in restaurant, clean, neat. The taste is excellent. The taste is so nice. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you come here, find the food, enjoy. The taste is good, the price is good, rational. They have also different type of drinks like orange drink, like lemon tea, ice and everything. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, press the like button and write the comment for us. See you in the next video. Bye.